So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to bend text in a video here on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, go to the bottom bar here and press on text again, and I'll just type in the word bend as an example. Now, if you want to bend text, it's pretty self-explanatory. Go to the right below. There's the 5 options. Press on the 3 horizontal lines option. Then go to the bottom right and press on ABC. With the curve right here. Now, if you want to bend text, there's a bunch of different ways you can bend them. So if you go ahead and press on the first option, you can go ahead and bend it up or down. Second option, you can kind of bend it in sort of a funny little way. Third option right here, you can bend it in the shape of a heart. So if I wanted to bend text like this, for example, I can go ahead and press on the check mark right here. Now, if I were to play the video right here, the text is now bended. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can bend text in a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.